Hi, I'd just like to show you some of the equipment used on the access control course. This is the kit we sent out to learners. First of all, the top left hand side we have an emergency door release button, and the connections for that are on the back here. Okay, so you can do various connections on it. The key associated with this button is here. Another press to exit button here, which is different to this type. And on this you've got connections in the back. It's a single pole double throw switch that we have here on this for the connections. This is a magnetic reed contact here, and we use this to indicate if a door is left open or forced open. This is the contact, and this is the magnet associated with the contact. We have a lock here. This is an electric strike, and it's a fail locked lock. So we say that this lock has failed because there's no power on the lock, and it locks, as you can see. This is a Veristor, which is a device that's used with this keypad here, and associated with the lock also. The keypad can be used to open doors or gates, for example, by a code or a PIN number, or these tokens here. You can have one or two tokens or more tokens with the keypad. There's a multimeter here for checking various voltages and currents and resistances associated with all of the equipment here that you will be wiring up. Some tools, a screwdriver and a cutters, a relay, which is a device that's incorporated in this keypad, some various connections, a little connector block, fuse, 12-volt buzzer, a connector for our DC power supply to power all of the equipment here, some electronic devices like diodes, resistors, fuses, LEDs, and some security cable as well. Okay, thank you very much.